When people think of America, they see skyscrapers, technology, opportunity, the American dream. But hidden behind the bright lights, another America exists, an America struggling with toxic air, contaminated water, industrial pollution, and environmental damage that affects millions of lives. These places rarely appear on postcards, rarely make international headlines, yet their stories reveal a truth many choose to ignore. This is the journey into America's toxic cities, the places nobody talks about. For over a century, American industry fueled economic growth. Factories produced goods. Power plants generated energy. Cities expanded rapidly. But progress came with consequences. Smoke filled the skies. Waste entered rivers, chemicals entered communities. The same industries that helped build modern America also left behind environmental scars. In some cities, the air itself becomes a health risk. Vehicle emissions, industrial pollution, power generation. Millions breathe polluted air every day. Tiny particles travel deep into human lungs. Invisible, silent, dangerous for many communities. Pollution is not a distant environmental issue. It is part of daily life. Water should sustain life. Yet in some communities, concerns about contamination have created fear and uncertainty. Industrial chemicals, aging infrastructure, environmental negligence. The consequences can last for generations. A river may appear calm. A glass of water may appear clean. But sometimes, the greatest dangers remain unseen. Across America, some neighborhoods carry a heavier environmental burden than others. Industrial facilities often operate close to residential areas. Residents live alongside pollution sources. Day after day, year after year, many communities feel forgotten, their concerns unheard, their struggles invisible. These places have become environmental sacrifice zones. Environmental pollution affects more than landscapes. It affects people, respiratory illnesses, stress, reduced quality of life. Communities facing long-term environmental exposure often carry invisible burdens. The impact of pollution extends far beyond factories and smokestacks. It reaches homes, schools, and future generations. Modern society produces enormous amounts of waste. Some waste disappears from public view, buried underground, stored in facilities, hidden from daily life. Yet environmental contamination can remain for decades, long after industries move on, long after headlines disappear. The legacy of pollution often remains. But these stories are not only about pollution. They are also about resilience. Communities demanding change. Citizens monitoring environmental conditions. Organizations restoring ecosystems. People refusing to accept environmental injustice. Across America, thousands are working to create healthier communities. America's toxic cities reveal an important lesson. Pollution does not disappear simply because it is ignored. Every community deserves clean air, clean water, and a healthy future. The places nobody talks about may be the places humanity needs to hear most. Because environmental justice is not just about protecting nature. It is about protecting people. And the future depends on whether we are willing to listen.